Hi, I'm Dr. Byron Mackay, a chiropractor from Toronto. Your SCM or sternocleidomastoid muscle, quite the mouthful, runs from your sternum and your clavicle, and it inserts into the mastoid process of your occiput. This muscle becomes chronically short with people who sit all the time. So when you sit for hours per day, for days, weeks, months, and years, and you're in this sort of hunched slouch posture, this muscle through here gradually becomes short and becomes very tight. So how do we stretch that muscle? So to stretch your SCM, if we're going to first start by focusing on our left SCM muscle, which is right through here, I'm going to rotate away from that side, so towards my right side, and I'm going to tilt my head back like this. And if you're looking, you can probably see some of those muscle fibers through here pulling, becoming very tight. So I'm going to hold this position here for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to very gently rotate back towards neutral. Now I'm going to focus on my right SCM. So again, I'm going to rotate the opposite way, so towards the left side, and I'm going to tilt my head back like this. And again, if you're looking, you can probably see some of these muscle fibers firing through here as I stretch them. Again, I'm going to hold this for about 30 seconds, and I'm going to very gently rotate back towards neutral. I'm going to try to do each side 3 times, ideally every single day, once per day, if not twice per day. Some of these problems, some of these shortened muscles through here have likely been developing with you for years now. It's going to take you time to stretch, but with diligent practice, it will start changing. So again, you're going to hold that about 30 seconds. You're going to try to do each side 2 to 3 times, so 2 to 3 repetitions, minimally once per day, twice a day, even better.